The International Criminal Court (ICC) has concluded the confirmation of charges hearing in the case the prosecutor v. Joseph Kony. The hearing took place before Pretrial Chamber 3, comprised of presiding Judge Althea Violet Alexis Winsor, Judge Julia Motor, and Judge Hakel Ben. Although the accused Joseph Kony was not present, his interests were represented in court by defense counsel Peter Haynes, KC. The confirmation hearing serves as a procedural step to determine whether the evidence presented is strong enough to establish substantial grounds to believe that the accused committed the alleged crimes.
Pursuant to Article 61, 2b of the Rome Statute, which sets out the requirements for holding such proceedings.
Should the judges confirm any or all the charges, the case will move forward to the trial phase before the trial chamber. Importantly, ICC trials cannot proceed in absentia under the Rome Statute, meaning Joseph Kony would need to be physically present for the trial to begin.
If the charges are confirmed, a trial will not take place in the absence of Mr. Kony, who has the right to be present at his trial pursuant to Article 67, 1d.
The hearing, which took place on 9th and 10th September 2025, included opening statements and closing submissions from the prosecution, the defense, and the legal representatives of victims. The chamber will now begin its deliberations.
The chamber has clarified that the in absentia nature of these proceedings requires few procedural adaptations vis-à-vis confirmation proceedings held in the absence of the suspect. Those adaptations mainly pertain to the early stages of the proceedings and do not generally apply to the framework governing the confirmation hearing.
According to Regulation 53 of the Court's regulations, the judges must issue a written decision within 60 days of the hearing's conclusion. Based on their evaluation of the evidence, the Chamber has three possible courses of action: confirm the charges for which it finds sufficient evidence and commit the case to trial; reject certain charges if the evidence is deemed inadequate, thereby halting proceedings on those charges; adjourn the proceedings to request additional evidence or amendments to the charges, particularly if the current evidence points to a different crime than originally charged. Neither the defense nor the prosecution has the automatic right to appeal this decision. However, they may seek permission from the chamber to appeal. The ICC initially issued a seal arrest warrant for Joseph Kony on 8th July 2005, which was later amended on 27th September 2005 and made public on 13th October 2005. He is alleged to have committed numerous atrocities in northern Uganda during 2003 and 2004. These include crimes against humanity such as murder, enslavement, forced marriage, rape, torture, and forced pregnancy, as well as war crimes like targeting civilians, child conscription, and sexual slavery. On 12th December 2024, the court scheduled the confirmation hearing for 9th September 2025 despite Kony's absence. The procedural decision was upheld by the appeals chamber on 3rd June 2025, which confirmed the legal criteria for holding such hearings without the suspect physically present. Lydia Felly Akullu, NTV Tonight.